This is going to be a cold start video of a 1967 Pontiac Firebird. This car is not numbers matching. It has a modified 400 V8 and a Chevrolet transmission and a rear end. Got the battery disconnected. I'm going to connect that now. Just hold on to the exhaust manifold for a second to prove that it is in fact cold. The car has not been started in probably 4 or 5 days. It's a built motor, so it might take a couple of tries. Gonna pump the gas 3 times. There we go. Gonna let it warm up for a second before we go anywhere. Wipers work, lights work, dimmer switch works, interior lights work. Oop. Didn't let it warm up enough. There is a B&M shifter. It's a sequential shifter, automatic transmission.